Hi, I'm Kelly Britton, professional stylist, and for About.com today, I'm going to show you how to wear gray hair over 50. Some things you're going to need to style gray hair over 50 are going to be some shears, some thinning shears, a bottle of water, and a comb. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is wet down the whole head of hair. To get your style in, you first want to do your haircut. And then you want to go back through and refine it once it's dry, because gray hair is the hardest hair to cut. Not only because it's wiry and unpigmented, but because you can see every mark you make. So the key to making a good hairstyle with gray hair is going to be doing a lot of point cutting, thinning, and edging. Wearing gray hair can be a very dramatic statement in itself. If you have gray hair turned into white hair, it can create a look with dimension. Now, some people have only gray hair, which is all unpigmented hair, which has lost all the melanin. Dyeing this hair could be very troublesome because it's hard for the color to adhere to the loss of melanin in the hair shaft. You want to camouflage every mark you make when cutting gray hair. Now, if it's white, you can really see every mark you make. So you want to take your scissors and you want to point cut to help mask that blunt edge that gray hair leaves behind. Point cutting is where you angle the scissors downward and you create notches in the hair. If I was going to cut hair on someone with dark hair, I would cut like this. But that would create a hard edge that you would see when the hair is dry. A lot of people with gray hair and white hair have this problem, and they don't know how simple it is to remedy. You just point cut, or you simply take your thinning shears, which only cut 50% of the hair, and you use them on the very end. This will create a blended look that'll make your gray hair mesh together. Gray hair is a loss of melanin and elasticity, which causes it to become very coarse and wiry. Because of that fact, an easy style to achieve with gray hair is wearing something that's a little bit more spiky and edgy. You can use styling products to help achieve this, but gray hair is very pliable in itself, and oftentimes a spiky look will be able to be achieved without using products. I'm going to go with his natural texture and make it wiry and funky. And that's how you wear gray hair over 50. Thank you for watching, and for more information, visit us at About.com Style.